Select EB Setup Object and you will see HUD and Viewport. This is some main parameters for transform your terrain. This is duplicate parameters from transform rollout. Also you can quick change form and terrain resolution. Another cool feature is mouse interaction. This feature allows use mouse for transform terrain. Deselect EB Setup and click on Terrain in Viewport. Now you can use right mouse button for zooming and left mouse button for panning. All process is really fast if you use ultra realistic mode. Thanks for watching.